In the bustling landscape of project management software, ClickUp has emerged as a powerhouse, often touted as an all-in-one solution for teams of all sizes. Its extensive feature set, ranging from task management to complex workflows and collaborative documents, naturally leads many to wonder, is ClickUp a paid app? As a project management expert, I can tell you that the answer is both yes and no, which might sound confusing, but it's actually quite common in the software world. ClickUp operates on a freemium model. This means it offers a robust free forever plan alongside several paid plans with escalating features and capabilities. Understanding the distinction between these plans is crucial for any individual or team looking to leverage ClickUp effectively. The free forever plan, a generous starting point. One of ClickUp's biggest draws is its incredibly generous free forever plan. Unlike many other project management tools that offer very limited free versions, ClickUp's free tier provides a surprisingly comprehensive set of features, making it an excellent starting point for individuals, freelancers, and small teams just beginning their journey into structured project management. Here's what you typically get with the free forever plan. Unlimited tasks. This is a major advantage. You can create as many tasks as you need without hitting a ceiling. Unlimited users. Another significant benefit. You can invite as many team members as you want to your workspace, making it ideal for small teams that might grow. Basic views. Access to fundamental views like list, board, Kanban, and calendar, which are essential for visualizing and managing tasks. 100 megabyte storage. While not massive, this is usually sufficient for documents and small attachments for personal use or very small projects. Collaborative docs. Create and share documents directly within ClickUp for better team collaboration. Real-time chat. Communicate with your team members directly within the platform. Time tracking. Limited basic time tracking functionality to monitor how much time is spent on tasks. Whiteboards. Limited a few whiteboards for brainstorming and visual planning. Automation. Limited a small number of automation actions per month to help streamline repetitive tasks. For personal use, managing a few freelance projects, or a very small team with straightforward needs, the free forever plan can be incredibly powerful. It allows you to get a feel for ClickUp's interface and core functionalities without any financial commitment. When do you need a paid plan? The value of upgrading. While the free forever plan is impressive, there comes a point where its limitations might hinder a growing team or more complex projects. This is where ClickUp's paid plans come into play. These plans unlock a wealth of advanced features, increased capacity, and enhanced support, designed to meet the demands of small businesses, mid-sized teams, and large enterprises. ClickUp typically offers several paid tiers, often named something like Unlimited, Business, Business Plus, and Enterprise. The specific features and pricing for each tier can vary slightly over time, but generally, upgrading provides unlimited storage. Say goodbye to the 100 megabytes limit. Paid plans offer unlimited storage, which is crucial for teams that handle a lot of documents, images, and other large files. Advanced views, access to more specialized views like Gantt charts for detailed project scheduling and dependencies, workload views for resource management, and mind maps for brainstorming and organizing ideas. These are indispensable for complex projects and resource allocation. Unlimited custom fields. The ability to create an unlimited number of custom fields to track specific information relevant to your tasks and projects. This is vital for tailoring ClickUp to your unique workflows. Enhanced automation. Significantly higher limits on automation actions per month, allowing you to automate more complex workflows and save substantial time. Goals and portfolios. Features designed for higher-level strategic planning, allowing you to set and track organizational goals and oversee multiple projects simultaneously. Granular permissions and security. More control over who can see and do what within your workspace, crucial for larger teams and sensitive data. Higher tiers also offer single sign-on, SSO, and advanced security features. Advanced time tracking and reporting. More sophisticated time tracking functionalities, including billable hours, time estimates, and detailed timesheets. Access to more in-depth reporting and dashboards for better insights into project performance. Priority support. Quicker response times and dedicated support options, which can be invaluable when you encounter issues or need guidance. More integrations. Deeper integrations with other business tools you might be using, creating a more seamless ecosystem. Whiteboards and dashboards. Unlimited usage of whiteboards and dashboards, allowing for extensive visual planning and customized reporting views. Choosing the right plan. A project manager's perspective. As a project manager, the decision of whether to stick with the free forever plan or upgrade is a strategic one that depends on your specific needs. For individuals/solopreneurs, the free forever plan is usually more than enough. You can manage your tasks, personal projects, and even collaborate with a few clients effectively. For small teams, 2 to 10 people, the free forever plan might suffice for a while, especially if your tasks are straightforward. However, if you start hitting storage limits, need more advanced views like Gantt charts, or want to automate more processes, the unlimited plan, often the first paid tier, becomes a worthwhile investment. The cost per user is often quite reasonable, and the added features significantly boost productivity. For growing teams/mid-sized businesses, the Business Plan or Business Plus plan typically offers the sweet spot. The advanced features like workload management, granular permissions, and higher automation limits become essential for managing multiple projects, optimizing resource allocation, and ensuring smooth collaboration across different departments or teams. For large enterprises, the Enterprise Plan is designed for large organizations with complex security requirements, extensive customization needs, and the demand for dedicated support and account management. This tier is usually priced on a custom basis.